Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Benjamin, and today I'm be showing you a quick unboxing of the Apple Sport Loop nylon band for the Apple Watch. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, of course, we're going to be installing this band really quick. So let's go ahead and open up this band. I'm really excited about this. I have not had a new watch band since I got my watch, so that's been a while. So to open this thing up, there is a little pull tab on the end of the box, and you just pry that open, and then if you notice, there's actually another little pull tab. Pull on that and it pulls everything out the box except for one little tiny piece of paper, which is just some, regulatory information, safety info, whatever. It's not important. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look. You just open this up, it all folds open. Quite the presentation for these new watch bands, as well as the Series 4 watch. But as you can see, it shows you exactly how to put the band on and remove a band, and even how to adjust it. Now you can see the red Sport Loop is right in here. It is velcroed down. You just pull it on out, and there is the band. Very nice band. So taking a look at the band here, this is a really nice feeling material. I really do think this one's going to feel better than my previous woven nylon band. You can see the Velcro here that is used to hold the band, and you can also see that Product Red logo right there underneath the Velcro. Now when we compare this to the woven nylon band, you can definitely see they're the same material, but it's definitely a different pattern. The Product Red band is much softer than my old woven nylon band, so let's go ahead and get these two bands switched out real quick. So I went ahead and removed my old watch band here. It's a really simple thing to do. All you gotta do is there's two release buttons on the back. You just simply hold those in and slide the bands out. And there's one for the bottom and one for the top. Now, I didn't show that on camera because my band is pretty disgusting, not gonna lie. But it's very simple, and it's a good idea to take this time to clean up your watch. There's a lot of dirt and stuff behind the bands and on the back, so that's what I went ahead and did. So let's go ahead and install the new band real quick. So to put the band on, just simply slide it in till you hear a click on the bottom, and then you do the exact same thing on the top. Just slide it in. Now the click is not very loud, so you gotta kind of hear it, but really just get it to the end and that's fine. And as you can see, you can adjust the band with the other end. And so now we're gonna go ahead and put this on my wrist. All you gotta do, just slip it over and then pull the Velcro part to adjust to your wrist, and then just pull it down and let it Velcro, and that's it. It's that simple. So this band is nice and soft. I think I'm really gonna enjoy this. I was a little worried at first though about the Velcro. I mean, I just didn't see how I'd be able to hold it, but I can tell you that you can get this thing really tight, and I am definitely confident now that this thing will stay attached to my wrist. The other thing that's kind of concerning me is I don't know how this one's going to hold up in water. I really don't think the nylon bands are made to get wet, but who knows. I'll have to let you guys know in the future how it holds up. But for right now, I'm really liking this based on the first impressions. But anyway guys, that's all for this video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know if you like the Product Red. Anyway guys, I will catch you all in the next video.